Good morning, third standard. This is your science class. This is Mrs. Sheila Bosco here. I think you would have enjoyed the holidays and you are back now. Enjoyed the sweets, crackers. Yes. I could hear a lot of smile on your face and I could imagine a happy face and a happy noise. Okay, good. We are going to the 14th lesson. 14th lesson, the story of food. Here, the story of food you have already learnt, the plant food and the animal food. Where does it comes from? Plant food comes from the plants. Maybe the seed, maybe the root, maybe the stem we will be eating. The animal food, the same way, we will be eating the flesh, we will be eating the egg, or we will be taking milk or curd, whatever it is. These are all the food comes from these sources. Here, they are comparing two families on the lesson. One is Venu's family, another one is Rani's family. Can you see the picture there? The lady with the green sari. She is cooking food and Venu's husband helping her by cleaning the house. But if you look at Rani's family, Rani is cooking, no one is helping her. She is cooking alone. Now here come to the next picture. Or they are all eating together. They have a girl, the husband, the wife and the daughter eating together. Here in Rani's family, she is serving, the men in the family are eating. Next, all the three in the family, in Venu's family, having their own time, enjoying. And here, the ladies have gone for work and coming back. Now we are doing our exercises. What kind of work are people doing in both the families? The family, if one of the family, yes. All the other family, no. Yes? What about your family? Is it like Venu's family or Rani's family? The next question. Do you all people in your family eat together? Eat together. Yes, you have to write the answer, otherwise copy the answer from here. Do you all eat together in your family? It is nice. Call everybody and sit together and eat. Who eats last in the family? If you say mummy, it's not correct. You all should eat together. Who does not help in cooking food in the family? Why? In your family, who is not helping mummy? And you have to write. It's all your own answers. It's what's happening in your home, Miss doesn't know. In my home, all of us eat together. So, no one eats last. All are equal. Now we are going to a tabular column. In the table, some of the work done in the house has been mentioned. Find out who does them in your house. Cooking food. In your house, in your friend's house. See, this has to be done as a homework. Okay, right? Buying things from the market and your house and your friend's house. Sweeping in your house and your friend's house. Cleaning the utensils, cleaning the vessels. In your house and your friend's house. Filling water in your house and your friend's house. All this, what is given there, it is somebody's answer. Even it is not my answer, it's somebody's answer from NCERT. So, you write your own answer. That's the best. That is only correct, right? Going to office. Who's doing? Then next is buying snacks or helping in homework. All that can be done. All three can be added in this column. It's a very simple lesson. Now you have to fill the column, keeping your father and mother next to you, and you fill it up. Yes, it's a very, very simple lesson. It has to be filled by you. But the answer of NCERT is given. If you are following those answers, nothing harm in it. But I will be happy that if you write your own answers. Now, who does more work? More work? Who does more work? The last part of the tabular column. Here there are given cooking food thing. Is there any gender difference? Gender difference means boys have to do this work, girls have to do this work. Is there any gender difference in your house? Gender difference means in some families they have gender difference. See, boys only have to do this work. They cannot sweep and swap the house. They cannot clean the utensils. See, like that. Okay? Is there anything in your family? You have to write. Where does what we come from? See, there are many things I've given here. If it is from the plant, you circle it with green. If it is from the animal, you circle it from the with the red. Honey, red. Turmeric, green. Fish, red. Then corn, green. Milk, red. Lemon, green. Spinach, green. Potato, green. Ofivan, it's green. Egg, red. Meat, red. Bananas, green. Tomato, green. Onion, green. Next you can write apple, and then whatever you want you can fill it from here this side. You can fill rice from the plant, wheat from the plant, dals from the plant, fruits from the plant, vegetables from the plant. Now from animals, what are we getting from animals? Egg, honey, milk, fish and meat. These are comes from animals. Now, these animal food, see, we get from plants. See how much of food we are getting from the plants. Healthy, very healthy. Plant foods are very healthy. We are getting corns, we are getting onion, spinach, tomatoes, green grams. All that we are getting from lemon, that is lime. All that we get from the plants. If you have some, we have lot of medicinal plants also. There are some medicinal plants in my house. What is there? I will just tell you. I have tulsi, I have lemongrass, I have what else? I have curry leaves. That's good for our hair. And we have what is it? The green leaf, which is good for cold. Then we have lot of medicinal plants. If you have a toothache, what will you do? You put clove in your tooth. These are all from the plant. Now the next question. When you are sick, do you take any medicines? Okay, yes. Get hurt. Get hurt means immediately we'll put turmeric powder with milk. See, usually we put a turmeric powder. We wash it and we put a turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is the plant, and which the powder we keep it at home. Having stomachache, what will you do? If you have a stomachache, they will give you ginger or pepper or coriander seeds, coffee, chukku coffee. They will say no. Like that they will give. If you have cough and cold, they will give tulsi leaves or tulsi and ginger, they boil together, they will give. And honey. Have a toothache. If you have a toothache, clove you will keep it. Just I told you now. You keep it clove, or you can apply clove oil. Even gargle with mint boiled water, mint leaves boiled water. These are all natural medication for small things. Nowadays we are using it now. because after this pandemic everything want to be natural, so we started medicinal plant. We have neem, tulsi, aloe vera, wheatgrass, ginger, amla, turmeric. These are all medicinal plants. There are some more plants we have, but they have generally mentioned very known medicines. The amla is very good. Now you have a part of a plant. Some parts, that's what I told you. Some we use flowers, some use seeds. Parts of a plant you already learnt: root, stem, leaves, flowers, leaf, bud, and maybe fruit. All that it's a part of a plant. These are the different part of the plants. See, in some plants all the parts will be useful for eating. In some, seed will be used for eating. Some flower will be used for eating. Some greens will be used for eating. See, some roots will be thing. See, carrot, beetroot, radish, turnip. All this are the root useful for eating. Next, some stems, potatoes, ginger. All these are stem. We eat the stem of the plants. Actually, potato always you misunderstand with the root. It's not a root, it is a stem. Ginger and this one, sugar cane. All these are stems we eat. See, they have given here celery, asparagus. See, these are all, you know it, but you don't know in Tamil. I don't want to tell you anything I learned from Tamil. All this, just ask mommy to show you from the kitchen. Right? This is the stems we are eating. See, if you buy fried rice, you can see those celery there on the top. This is the onion is a stem. These are all the stems that we are eating. Some of the leaves we eat. See, spinach, cabbage, methi leaves, vendekira, coriander, kuthamalli, mint, pudina. All this we eat apart from the spinach. Spinach is all keerais. It comes under leaves. We eat the leaves. Some of the flowers we eat: cauliflower, broccoli, and banana flower. Then you have that kochir flower, I don't know, banana flower, okay, drumstick flowers, I don't know, it's very rare in our sides, but drumstick flowers, but I cook, it's be tasty. What is the next one? I think it's the word is in Hindi, the picture also I'm not clear about it. The last one is drumstick flower, that I'm sure. Okay, these are the flowers. Cauliflower, name itself. Broccoli, the same type. Now that's a book exercise. It's coming out now. Choose the correct basket for each of the item. Draw line to match. I think you can do it as a homework or any other part of the plant. So okay, fine. We'll go with the ginger. Ginger is a stem. You have to draw a line to the stem. Stem is not given there. You should go to any other plant. Carrot is a root. It's not given any other part of the plant. Mango, it's a fruit. It should go to the fruit basket. It is there. Flowers of Kachnar. Flowers of Kachnar. It's a flower of Kachnar. It's a flower. Okay. Jackfruit, it's a fruit. Amla is a vegetable. It comes under fruit. French beans, flower, leaves, flowers, any other part of the plants. Lotus stem, it goes to any other. Spinach, leaf. Mustard is a seed. Curry leaves. Cauliflower is a flower. Radish is a root. Potato is a stem. Banana is a banana. I don't know what they meant banana. It's fruit. Okay. With that, I want to say something. With that, I'm finishing the lesson. Stay safe. Draw a plant and mark the parts. That's the homework for you. And Wait for the finish the book exercise. Wait for the workbook for the next week. Thank you and stay safe.